What's up, guys? Welcome to my another video. It's Dipan from Best Software Deals, the best place to get insane deals on business software. Today, I'm talking all things Sizzy, a web browser that helps web developers test and develop responsive designs in record time. Trying to make your designs responsive is no easy task, and most dev tools make it even harder. Well, not Sizzy. Not only can this web browser synchronize UI tests across devices, it can also integrate all your other dev tools. Let's jump right into this super browser to see how it works. Want to test your design on multiple devices once? Use Sizzy Multiple Device Testing. Just load up your site to view, scroll, zoom, and interact across different screens. Your environment is so flexible, you can add or drop a device in one click. Tired of switching between apps and installing bloated extensions? Sizzy integrated developer tools are here to save the day. You've got an API inspector to manage API calls, a Tailwind inspector for real-time CSS framework adjustments, and loads of other tools. Sizzy can even capture full-page screenshots for you. Sizzy is designed for quick prototyping, debugging, and faster product market fit. So go ahead and lock in this deal before it's too late. Want to see more? I got you. Sizzy lets you jump between projects and clients without losing context or messing up your tabs, notes, and snippets. Plus, you can manage logs, warnings, and errors using Sizzy Custom Console. This way, you can just debug and carry on. Sizzy can even simulate real-world conditions like tweaking network settings or switching between dark and light modes. Web devs need tools that are actually designed to make the job easier. Correction, they need Sizzy, so don't wait. Snag this lifetime deal while you still can.